Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Classes Learn at a Glance. I am Dr. JP. Today we are going to discuss HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. How simply we are going to learn these HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors using the book Pharmacology Learn at a Glance, we will see. HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors, they are ended with the suffix statin. The drugs are flash rib. Here it is a mnemonic for this. All are capital, but we must see bold letters F, L, A, S or P square. F, fluvastatin. L, lovastatin. A, atorvastatin. S, simvastatin or rosuvastatin. P, pravastatin. One more P, pitavastatin. Next we see the role of HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. In the cholesterol synthesis, the conversion of HMG-CoA to mevalonic acid is a rate limiting step. This step is stimulated by HMG-CoA reductase. Statins inhibit HMG-CoA reductase and reduce the synthesis of cholesterol in the liver. This is how cholesterol synthesis takes place in the liver. There are so many steps are there, but here I mentioned only the important steps: acetyl-CoA, HMG-CoA, mevalonic acid and cholesterol. The reduction in the cholesterol in the liver demands more cholesterol for the synthesis of bile acids and steroidal hormones, for which LDL receptors are activated. Hence, LDL from plasma comes to the liver. Among statins, lovastatin and simvastatin are inactive lactone prodrugs. They are converted to their active form in the liver. Among statins, pitavastatin is more potent statin. Next, coming to the drug-drug interactions, lovastatin should not be administered with digoxin because it decreases gastrointestinal absorption of digoxin and interrupt its enterohepatic circulation. Statin should not be administered with ACE. Here ACE is not angiotensin converting enzyme. A means azoles, C means cyclosporin, E means erythromycin. Because they inhibit the metabolism of statins, thereby increasing blood levels of statins. Activity of HMG-CoA reductase is maximum at night. So these drugs are administered at night. Rosuvastatin and atorvastatin are long-acting drugs because they have long half-life. Hence, they can be administered at any time of the day. One of my students, Mr. Srikanth, who secured both GPAT and NIPER ranks, has shared few words about this book. I hope you like this video. If you want to purchase this book, the link is provided in the description. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.